Here we will write a program to print multiplication table of a given number using Python. So first we will open the IDLE. Then we will add new file. And in comment line we will write the program description. Then in num we will accept it. So num equal to int input enter number. Then we will define another variable n which is initialized with 1, and we will use while loop. So while n less than or equal to 10, we will calculate multiplication. So m equal to num into n, and we will print it. So print F for formatting, and we will print num into n equal to m, and we will increase n. So n equal to n plus 1. Then we will save it. We will save it as multiplication table .py, and then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will enter 6. It will print multiplication table 6 into 10 equal to 60.